There are 8.9 million cancer deaths in the world every year, and 1.93 million of those are directly tied to tobacco use. Because tobacco use causes 20% of cancer deaths, we know that if we can prevent people from ever using tobacco products such as cigarettes, we can save millions of lives. We also know it's important to keep youths from ever starting to use tobacco. That's because most tobacco users start before they turn 20. And after that age, people are not very likely to start using tobacco. There are all kinds of campaigns to increase awareness of the risks of tobacco, like school visits to talk to kids about the harms of tobacco use. Around the world, there are almost 2 billion children under the age of 15. Think about how many classrooms we will have to visit to reach all of them. Tackling this problem requires a larger scale solution, like tobacco taxation. That's why cancer organizations are working together to promote this uniquely effective policy to meet our cancer prevention goals. That's right. Raising the price of tobacco through higher taxes is the single most effective and cost-effective way to prevent and reduce tobacco use, especially among youth. No matter the country, the research supports this idea. When tobacco prices go up, consumption goes down. Every time tobacco prices increase by 10%, tobacco consumption goes down by about 4 to 8%. This effect is even more pronounced among young people because they are more sensitive to increases in prices. It makes sense. If you were a teen with limited pocket money, how would you spend it? Sure, it might feel worth it to experiment with cigarettes if they are cheap, but the more expensive they become, the less attractive they are compared to all the other things that are important to you. This means taxing tobacco is a powerful public health strategy, especially for youth. So, to really put an end to tobacco use among youth, we have to work together and demand that our governments increase taxes to make tobacco products unaffordable to kids. Take advantage of the Prevent 20 Coalition to learn more and engage with colleagues also working on raising tobacco taxes. And don't forget to consult our website for tips on how to talk to government officials about making tobacco taxes a priority. But most importantly, help us spread the word about the power of tobacco tax increases to create a tobacco-free generation and significantly reduce cancer deaths.